Introducing WattAnt, the future of portable generators. This durable power station is a staple of both function and versatility that brings you outstanding power, interchangeable batteries, and a quiet, eco-friendly alternative to noisy gas generators. WattAnt is a powerhouse with an impressive 3,000 watts of power. It can keep all of your heaviest appliances and tools running. WattAnt is equipped with safe vehicle-grade batteries that can be easily switched out. We've separated the BMS and battery into two different parts. When the BMS heats up, the battery stays cool, which increases the lifespan, or what we like to call long-lasting power. Your home is a place of safety, especially during blackouts. With an output of 3,000 watts, WattAnt gives you back peace of mind, keeping your home warm and bright when you need it most. Never worry about a blackout again. WattAnt will keep each of your devices powered all night long. Enjoy traveling with the added comfort of life's luxuries. WattAnt's impressive capacity outshines any other eco-generator, easily powering the appliances you can't leave home without. Small and lightweight, WattAnt travels easily, unlike gas generators. Leave your portable chargers at home and save packing space with WattAnt's detachable battery, which is perfect for small devices and laptops. Enjoy tremendous power with none of the noise or carbon emissions, so you can create those magical memories worry-free. When you're on the road, you can count on WattAnt as an emergency backup for your electric vehicle. Just plug it in and recharge. You'll never be stranded. You can even take WattAnt to the coast. Power up all the accessories you need to make your next beach trip the best one yet. And when you need to recharge, you can charge your WattAnt anywhere, in a car lighter socket, a wall outlet at home, or reduce your carbon footprint even more by recharging with solar panels. Enjoy reliable energy for all your appliances, big and small, with WattAnt's 15 power ports. From heavy power tools at home to your electric vehicle and even the great outdoors, everyone is moving towards a safer future of electric power. For your home, your family, and for you. Back us today and be one of the first to receive your very own